Well guys, here you have another video, this time something different from Sint Maarten. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank Captain Kate McHugh and the people of Celebrity Cruises for letting me film on board their cruise ships. You can also visit my other page that is dedicated to cruises only at Cruise Ship Sailing. Now just enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. Take care. Well guys, it's time to land and I hope that you enjoyed the video. So again, as I've been telling you in the past, please leave a comment below and a thumbs up if you like my work. There's another yacht that is gonna be coming up next. It's a Bravo Eugenia and I also spotted it in Sint Maarten, but that's my next video. So for now, thanks for watching and I will see you on another video pretty soon. Take care.